Ladies and gentlemen, yeah, that is just briefly about different donations. You can donate $1 to the cause there. Of course, you can donate $1 per each household. That's what they are asking, and then you can find the link there also, and then that is just $1 donations, and then of course they said particularly is to help in the village. Okay, it will help in the village to vaccinate the children and then the kids, the refugees in the village, and also the donation will help towards different terminations of poverty, okay, in the village. That's to terminate poverty in the village. So you can donate. You can donate also a chicken for distribution. That is the 1,483 trucks of addition of chicken. So for addition live birds distributions for refugees, that is 148 settlements, camps. So if you distribute, and then he's gonna help them in the distribution areas, and then our New Year's schedules, those ones, and then that is particularly New Year's, and then of course and how they meet us. That is a review of that. And then please do donate $1 Canadian dollars, and if you are aware of, you can donate less than $1. So particularly per each individuals. So and they will go to that cause. Your contribution, your donation is very, very, very important to us. And from last episode, so we emphasize upon the distribution of smartphone. I think that is a trillion smartphone has been distributed smartly, and maybe will be distributed smartly, of course. And you can increase the distribution, the agent. That is also a regards.